something really huge has landed on my desk. Lots of packages here. Okay, let's take a look at it. You're not gonna believe this. Oh my goodness, this is the Leica APO Vario Luminous SL 28-4, 90-280. Okay, this is huge. Okay, look, the Leica SL3-S. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at it. Look at this. It's got that nice little red dot. Very, very luxe. Okay, let's see, Leica. Whoa, look at this. Beautiful. And if you'd missed it, which camera is it? Well, it's Leica. It's Leica.
Leica. It's Leica. It's Leica. Leica. It's Leica. It's Leica.
Yeah, I could see that from here. Almost.
Oh, it feels good. And look at the screen. Very cool. Very cool. Wow. Feels nice and big and a beautiful big dial right here. I love the texture of it. Simple, modern. There's your cards. Looks like it's got a CF Express. Also has a SD XC2. Got a couple little slots right there. Looks like it's got a couple little buttons right here. Hey, let's see what else is in this box. Original certificate. It's the real deal. Real deal right there. Just in case you miss it. Okay, what else you got in here? This looks like the manual. Yes, we're going to take a look at that. All right, they give us a nice cable. There's that. Let's see if this is the battery. Big, here's the battery. All right. And very nice. Looks like it's kind of a neoprene strap. Looks very comfortable. I think I have everything I need right here. Oh, interesting. This is a big hole there. So I think you just slide it right in and interesting. And that pops it right back out. Now, I'm not sure if this has a weather sealing design or what. This is a really interesting camera here. It feels really great and solid. It's supposed to have really great autofocus. It's supposed to have really great low light capabilities. Really is supposed to be wonderful for shooting video, which is kind of new for this Leica brand. I mean, I say new, but it seems like this is really them jumping into something new. One thing I did just discover is this really nice feeling wheel right here. A little rubberized wheel. I don't know if you can see that, but that feels really great. I want to say thank you to B&H Photo for letting me and Luminous-Landscape take a look at this system. All right, let's take a quick look at this lens, 90-280. That is incredible. More documentation here. Yeah. This is a beast. I mean, look at this lens. Is incredible. Oh, just buttery smooth in movement. And mount on your tripod. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Oh, I'm going to take care of this baby.
I must humbly inform you that in truth, I am indeed a fully matured and most esteemed Leica lens. My father, the great Matthias.
Let's put this on and see what it looks like. Oh, look at that chip. I don't know if you can see that chip in here. But that's super pretty. You see that? Oh yeah. Big, nice, full frame. Gorgeous, gorgeous construction here. Click. That is serious. Look at this. Now notice I don't have any focus distance on that. I think that's pretty interesting. Very minimal. Very minimal. I guess that's all you need pretty much. Well, I'm going to take a look at all this. If y'all have any questions or would you like to find out more about this camera or anything that we can test with this camera, let us know. Let us know. Well, I'm Swindy saying stay luminous, stay bright, find that perfect light. Take care, y'all.
My dear friends, that is all for the moment. Yet, do stay attentive. Ow, buddy, don't touch that. Well, as I was saying, do stay attentive, for there is much more yet to come. And thus I take my leave. And until we meet again, auf Wiedersehen, meine Freunde.